Guys, every trader seems to want this level of confidence, but most are chasing it the complete wrong way. They think confidence comes first, when in reality, it's just the byproduct of consistency and discipline. So, today we're going to break down how discipline protects your potential, how consistency builds unshakable confidence, and why those habits, not hype, separate struggling traders from profitable ones. Welcome, everyone, to the ITUTv podcast.
Are you ready to turn your network into a source of passive income while empowering others to achieve financial success? Welcome to the ITU referral program, where you can earn monthly residuals simply by sharing the power of trading education. Here's how it works. Refer aspiring traders to Independent Trading University, earn 20% of their enrollment fee when they sign up, keep earning every single month they remain enrolled, and to top it off, enjoy a special bonus at the end of each month. Let's break it down. If you refer just 20 students, earning 20% per enrollment, you could be making $200 plus a month in residual income. Refer 40 students? That's $400 plus per month. And it only keeps growing from there. At the end of each month, receive a bonus at the end of the month. Even when enrollment price go up, you're not just earning, you're making an impact. By introducing others to ITU, you're helping them unlock financial freedom through trading while securing your own stream of income.
In today's trading world, it seems every trader wants this high level of confidence, but most are chasing it completely the wrong way. They think confidence comes first, but in reality, it's just the byproduct of being consistent and having that strong sense of discipline. Today, we're going to break down how discipline protects your potential and how consistency builds unshakable confidence, and why those habits, not hype, separate struggling traders from profitable ones. Hi, everyone. My name is Zay Holmes. I am the technical analysis coach here at Independent Trading University, and I'm glad to be your host for today's really important episode. Every trader wants confidence, but everyone wants to feel unshakable, fearless, ready for whatever the market may throw at them. But here's the truth. Most people don't realize is that confidence doesn't come first. It's not this magic spark that hits you before you take a trade. Confidence is the result of consistency. It's the byproduct of discipline, and that's exactly where we're diving into today. How consistency and discipline are not just buzzwords, but the actual foundation of your trading career in your life. So if you ever felt like you're waiting for confidence before you act, or you're struggling with discipline in the face of temptation, this episode is for you. So let's break it down and let's make it real for our ITU traders. See, discipline is how you honor your purpose. It's how you protect your potential. Desire feels good in the moment, like wanting to catch that one big trade. But discipline is what makes you feel proud for a lifetime. Because every time the battle between comfort and calling show up, and it will show up daily in trading. So discipline is the decision that's going to ultimately shape your future. I mean, think about it. When you sit down to trade, comfort says, skip the journal today, just trade what you see. Calling tells you, no, man, stick to the plan, document the setups, and respect your system. Comfort says, take one more trade. You can get it back. Calling says, you already hit your limit. Step away and protect your capital. Discipline doesn't just protect your account, it protects your potential. It protects the future version of you who deserves to look back and say, I didn't quit on myself. One of our students wrote recently, I should have either taken a nap, chilled out, or skipped the day. I was overstimulated. But I forced trades anyway. Ended green, but I lost the battle within myself. And that's honestly what discipline is really about. It's not just about the P&L for the day. It's about protecting the future version of you who deserves to look back and say, I didn't quit on myself. I followed my plan and I stayed as disciplined as possible. And that's why you can be where you want to be today. Now, every time you show up and honor your commitments, even when it's hard, you're building trust with yourself. And that trust is absolutely priceless because the market will test you. It will break you down and it will expose you. But consistency is what builds the receipts, the journals, the screenshots, the weekly reviews. Those are your evidence. That's how you look back and say, I've done this before and I can do this again. One of our students shared recently how missing one trade spiraled them into overconfidence, frustration, and eventually revenge trading. They said big emotions were overconfidence to start the week and frustration when they couldn't just make $200. Decision making became fatigued and realized they needed to stay strict with their routine to be in the right headspace. But let me tell you something, confidence isn't built by hype. It's not built by Discord chat rooms or compliments or affirmation. It's built by the results, and those results only come when you keep showing up. I've seen with one of our students that if they want to get good, they want to build that confidence, they're the ones that don't chase every setup. They're the ones who do journal religiously, who show up to the weekly overview every Sunday, who show up to chart sessions and follow the same morning routine, even when they don't feel like it. That's how you start believing in your own power, because now you've got evidence, you've got history, you've got receipts, and the receipts don't lie.
I have something truly special to share with you today. Have you ever dreamt of financial success and didn't know where to start? Look no further than Independent Trading University. At ITU, we offer a diverse range of courses, from Forex basics to advanced technicals, along with comprehensive fundamentals education, mindset coaching, health and wellness guidance, plus stock and crypto trading strategies. That's right. Everything you need for a well-rounded trading journey, all in one place. Our mission is clear, helping you make extra income by learning the art of trading. Join us today at solo.to/independent trading and take advantage of an exclusive pre-sale. $50 for undergrad students looking to trade part-time, and just $75 for career traders ready to dive in full-time. With ITU, you'll master the art of making consistent income from the markets. This is your chance to start building a brighter financial future. Are you ready to transform your trading game and take control of your financial future? Look no further than Independent Trading University, your one-stop destination for comprehensive Forex education and so much more. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, we've got you covered. We believe in a holistic approach to trading success. Gain a deep understanding of market fundamentals, master your mindset, and prioritize your well-being. We're here to support your growth every step of the way. And let's not forget about stocks and crypto. Discover exciting opportunities and learn strategies to make extra income. The best part? We're running a limited time pre-sale for new students. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to gain the skills, knowledge, and support you need to succeed. Ready to make connections with your financial future? Visit our website at solo.to/independent trading to secure your spot in our pre-sale today. Independent Trading University, where trading dreams become reality. It's time to start your journey to financial freedom. Don't wait. Visit solo.to/independent trading now.
And most people want to feel confident before they make the move, before they take the act, start the business, take the trade. Traders tell me all the time, I'll size up once I feel ready. I'll go live when I feel confident. But here's the reality. Confidence doesn't precede consistency. It follows it. You don't become bold by waiting until you feel ready. You become bold by doing it scared, by placing the trades with a plan even though your hands are shaking, by sticking to your stop loss even when you want to move it, by journaling your losses when you'd rather forget about them. One student wrote, I watched my original TP get hit after I pulled out early, and that was a kick in the gut. But I learned a lesson. Only trade on desktop and refine my plan. Confidence will come from the routine, not the hype. That's how you prove to yourself that you're stronger than your doubt. That's how you grow. Confidence grows in the soil of repeated action. And every time you act in alignment with your rules, you plant a seed. And over time, those seeds turn into unshakable belief. You don't need anyone else to tell you that you're great. You've got the receipts. You're doing the work to prove you're becoming great. Let's talk about that proof for a minute. The market respects consistency. Opportunities find those that are consistent. The gap between who you are right now and who you want to be is not filled with talent. It's filled with that consistency. Every day you show up, you shorten the gap. If you're trading trying to pass the funded challenge, it's not about finding that one perfect setup that pays for everything. It's about consistency across weeks and months.
Welcome to Independent Trading University at ITU. We're more than just an education platform. We're a community built to help you succeed. Trading can feel like a solo journey, but with ITU, you're never alone. Our team is here to support, guide, and push you toward mastery. Technical analysis support, so you can read the charts with precision. Fundamental support, so you understand market-moving news and economics. Psychology support, so you can develop the mindset of a successful trader. We provide the tools you need to thrive: weekly live education, 24/7 community support, and real-time trading setups from experienced coaches. Wherever you are, access the education and mentorship that will transform your trading. Join ITU today and trade with confidence.
If you're trying to build wealth, it's not about hitting a home run trade. It's about stacking singles, managing risk, and building equity slowly. Our funded traders didn't get there overnight. They journaled, refined, and stayed consistent through setbacks. Now many are funded, but not because of one big day, but because of dozens of disciplined ones. Consistency is the ultimate proof, and proof is what builds confidence that no critic, no setback, and no red day can shake. Okay, so how do you apply this as a trader this week? Here are the 3 consistency habits you need to apply to stay locked in. Let's start with this. Build a pre-trading routine. Before you open your charts, take 5 minutes, review your key levels, breathe, visualize your session. That routine tells your brain we're here to perform, we're not here to gamble. 2, cap your daily trades and stick to that cap. Protect yourself from revenge spirals. Set a max trade count or a loss limit. Once it's hit, step away. Consistency means playing the long game and not blowing up one day. Review weekly on your 3rd step, not just daily. Stop judging yourself on one session. Confidence builds over time. Look at your week, your month, zoom out. The market is a marathon, not a sprint. You've got a lot of time to get this done. But if you apply these 3 habits and watch over time, your confidence, guys, will definitely grow. Not from hype, but from the proof of putting these steps into action and making it a habit. So let's end off with this. The world as we know it respects consistency. The market will reward consistency. So you don't need hype. You don't need any more motivational speeches every morning, though it helps. I know it helps. But what you need is discipline. What you need is consistency. And if you commit to that, confidence will follow you like a shadow. Because confidence isn't what you feel before the action, it's the reward you earn after showing up again and again, even when it was hard. So the next time you sit down at your charts, let's remember something here. The gap between where you are, where I am right now and where I want to be, it's not no talent. It's not filled with a bunch of talent. It's filled with me being consistent. And that's what we're building here at ITU. That's why we train. That's why we journal. That's why we show up for every weekly overview and every chart session, because I'm not trying to come in this game for hype. I'm here about building traders who can stand the test of time. So ask yourself, will you choose comfort or will you choose your calling? The decision's absolutely yours, but only one of them will breed confidence. So this is the call to action today. You can join us every Sunday at noon at myITU.org for orientation to get your trading journey started, or if you're intermediate or needing some help along the way, you can come join us as well, because we want to help you get you from where you are to the confidence you want to have in your trading career. Again, you can join us at myitu.org in the link down below, or on all platforms at Independent Trading University, and Google us as well. We'll be able to help you take your trading to the next level, guys. This was another great episode, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.